10 tips to help you pass tests. Here are some tips that may help you prepare for and perform well on tests. 1. Start studying early, don't wait until the last minute to start studying. Give yourself plenty of time to review the material and practice solving problems. 2. Make a study schedule, figure out how much time you have before the test, and divide the material you need to cover into manageable chunks. Schedule study sessions in advance and stick to your plan. 3. Use active learning techniques. Instead of just reading over your notes or rereading the textbook, try to actively engage with the material by taking notes, summarizing concepts, or teaching the material to someone else. 4. Practice, practice, practice. One of the best ways to prepare for a test is to practice solving problems and answering questions that are similar to what you can expect on the actual test. 5. Take breaks. Studies have shown that taking breaks can help improve focus and retention of material. So make sure to take breaks during your study sessions to give your brain a rest. 6. Get a good night's sleep. Make sure you get enough sleep the night before the test. A well-rested brain is better able to process and retain information. 7. Eat a healthy breakfast. Eating a healthy breakfast can help fuel your brain and improve your focus and concentration during the test. 8. Arrive early to the test. Give yourself plenty of time to get to the test location, find your seat, and get settled before the test starts. 9. Read the instructions carefully. Make sure you understand what is being asked of you before you start answering the questions. 10. Stay calm and focused. It's natural to feel anxious before a test, but try not to let your nerves get the best of you. Take a few deep breaths to calm yourself down, and stay focused on the task at hand. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more tips.